Welcome! If you're looking to update your gender on Pinterest using your PC with the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can easily make this change and keep your profile up to date. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Pinterest website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu. Find and click on Settings. This will take you directly to your account settings page. Inside the settings menu, you'll notice several options. You want to select Account Management. Click on it, and you'll see more detailed settings related to your Pinterest account. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Gender. Here, Pinterest gives you a few options to choose from. You can select Male, Female, or Custom. If you choose Custom, you'll be able to specify your gender in a way that best represents you. After you've made your selection, don't forget the most important step. Click Save. This ensures that your changes are updated and reflected on your profile right away. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Pinterest account gender using your PC. This process is quick and straightforward, and it helps Pinterest personalize your experience even more. If you ever need to update your gender again or make any other changes to your account, just follow these same steps. Keeping your profile information current is a great way to make the most out of your Pinterest experience. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tutorials to get the best out of Pinterest. Enjoy pinning.